Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a unique dish with you. It's a dish from Nepal called Chukauni. This is a yogurt based dish. Actually you may also call it a raita or yogurt based salad. Onions and potatoes go into it along with lot of flavorful ingredients and it tastes amazing. This recipe is going viral these days. Everyone was making it. So I thought let me also try it out, and believe me, the day I made it, my family loved it so much. So I thought why not I share this recipe with all of you also. And remember, the key ingredient in this is mustard oil. Do not make this with any other oil. This really gives amazing flavors to it. Unique flavor comes from the mustard oil, and of course all the other ingredients added to it. So let's get started and make this flavorful recipe from Nepal. In a large mixing bowl, take 250 grams of yogurt or as required. Whisk it very well until it's smooth and all the lumps are gone. Yeah, this is done. Let us add all the ingredients. I've taken 2 potatoes, boiled, peeled them and cut into smaller cubes. And 1 onion finely sliced. 2 or 3 tablespoons of coriander leaves. 1 or 2 green chillies finely chopped. If you like it spicy, you can add more. And red chilli powder, I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon. You can add more if you like it spicy. You can adjust according to your taste. 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. You may add grated ginger if you like. Roasted sesame seeds powder, about 2 teaspoons. This gives a lovely flavor. You can add more also if you like. Powdered mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon. Salt as required. This really is amazing. All these spices add lovely flavor to this. Mix them very well with a spoon until everything is combined nicely. If you are a new visitor to this channel, do subscribe and click the bell icon. Choose all option to receive all the notifications. Check the salt and adjust if required. Squeeze out little lemon juice. Now this is optional. If you don't like it very tangy, don't. Or you may add just very little of it. Now time to add the tempering. Heat about 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. This is the key ingredient. Make this dish only with mustard oil. Heat it very well and reduce the flame. Add half teaspoon of methi seeds and let them crackle. Once this is done, switch off the gas and add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 red chillies. Add this tempering to the prepared mixture of Chukauni. Give it a nice mix. Lovely. Look at the lovely color the mustard oil and turmeric give to this dish. It really has amazing flavors. This has become our family favorite now. Transfer it into a serving dish. Garnish with coriander leaves. And you can also spoon little bit of tempering oil over it. Chukauni is ready. Delicious. Do give it a try. Make and enjoy it with your meals. You are going to really love this dish. Thank you for watching. Check out some videos from the archives as well. You might have missed watching them. Take care. See you soon.